Welcome to Drive-Thru Kitchen. Today I am doing one of my favorite things. It is a Del Taco Spicy Jack Chicken Quesadilla. This went away from the menu a while ago, but they have brought it back-ish. We'll go over that in a second, but this could not be easier to make. I'm going to show you these basically four ingredients plus a special pan you need to make it. It's getting more complicated, but it is complicated. Super simple, and it's super delicious, super easy, and that's all you need to say about that. So let's make it right now, better, faster, cheaper in the Drive-Thru Kitchen. So making quesadillas really is not that complicated. There's only a couple things you have to know about this one, so this is not going to be a long video. I promise. Yeah, who knows? It's me. Come on. But yeah, you need pepper jack cheese. I have some sliced stuff here because this stuff's awesome on sandwiches. You can get a block of it. It works great for this, but then you're limited unless you want to do like get a cheese slicer, and that's, oh God, who wants to do that? So we're just going to use this. They're pre-sliced. It's perfect. It's beautiful. We're just going to take a few of these guys. We're going to lay them down here. This is a 12-inch flour tortilla, the Burrito Grande. This is a Guerrero brand, the Riquísimas one or something. I don't know. All I know is it's delicious. Ugh. There's like 3 people that probably got that joke. All right, I have six slices here. That's a lot of cheese. They are not famous for putting a lot of cheese in theirs. They just aren't. All right, we are going to put chicken on this, but I'm going to do that when I get over to the Comal, because if I do it now, it's going to like go all over the place. So I'm going to do that over there. I'm going to show you the Comal because that is kind of an important thing to have for doing this. If you have a 14-inch frying pan, fantastic. Otherwise, get yourself a cast iron Comal. I do have an affiliates link down there if you want to buy it. That specific one, I'm going to say it, I endorse it. It's great. I've had that thing for a couple of years and it's never let me down. It's fantastic. If you buy it, I make like 3 cents. So thank you for that. If enough of you buy it, that makes a difference. I appreciate it. Let's go over there and you can see it in action. Decide for yourself. Is that Comal right for you? I feel dirty. Okay, so here is that 14-inch cast iron Comal I've been bragging about. I got 2 tablespoons of butter going down. Just give this, nice mix around there. We are going to spin the tortilla just for a second, just to get it nicely dispersed with all the butter. Now lay the chicken down in here on top of just one side of it. This makes it much easier when you go to fold it over. And we're going to cook this thing flat. I know that they don't do that because they don't have something like this. But it lets all the cheese cook at the same time. It's a really good idea. It cooks twice as fast. I learned that from a friend in a restaurant. Yeah. When she's done, turn the thing off and let it steam for a second and finish melting. That's it. All right, doesn't this look delicious? This thing is straight out of the Comal. It's a little crispy, but I like it crispy. Don't cook it that much if you don't like it that crispy. That solves that problem. There you go. But this thing, oh, she's melty and cheesy and pepper jacky. Oh, yes, please. Now, the Del Taco near me, they brought this item back. The Spicy Jack Chicken Quesadilla is back for a limited time. They did change it though, slightly. This is made with pepper jack cheese originally. Now they use just regular jack cheese and they put some of their green sauce on it. It's delicious. It's just not exactly the same as it used to be. Now, it's good. It's just not exactly the same. It's a little too good. It's a little too juicy. If you want yours too good, then get something like this, the green verde salsa, something like that. Dribble some of that in there. It basically is going to replicate that. Then you get the best of both worlds. You get the pepper jack cheese and you get the green sauce. It's a beauty. But we're going to cut this thing open. I'm going to show you the insides, show you the guts. We got to cut it the way they cut it because that's important. One thing I've learned about doing videos on the internet is you better be authentic with it. Otherwise they're going to kill you. There's people in the comments that are going to be like, you can't do that to make it from scratch. Sure, you do. You're right. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate that. Or you could use this. It's 90% as good. Come on. All right, let's see this thing. Oh, yeah. We're going to... yeah, way too much cheese. Oh, for what they normally do, that's ridiculous. Who does that? Who does that? Oh, that's good. Now, one of my favorite things is to take thumbnails before I bite into it. So I'm going to do that real quick. All right, thumbnail's done. All we got to do is the darn eating. I'm going in on this thing because, come on, she is a beaut. Again, let's just have a look-see. Oh, I worked fast so that we have a nice warm, quesadilla here. But I'm going to do my favorite thing with this, which is the mild sauce. You saw this video. It already came out. Yeah, that couldn't be any easier. Use the Del Scorcho or the Inferno if you so choose, but I'm just laying this on. So you can't... This is convenient. I'm just telling you. I use that for everything. Seriously, it makes a great steak sauce. It doesn't. It makes a great carne asada sauce. But this is going in my mouth. Oh yeah. I mean, I will say, I don't think I ever had Del Taco burn one before, so it's a little different flavor. Don't do that. Oh. That is so good. The cheese is the perfect cheese for this. This is the cheese. If you're remembering this from 20 years ago, you're going to be like, oh yeah, there it is. That's exactly what you remember. It's perfect. The chicken, come on. That chicken is, well, if you've tried that recipe, and you did try that recipe, right? That chicken is perfect. Yeah, that is exactly what you need for this. I don't know what they did to the chicken recently. I'm not going to say anything bad about it, but you can if you want. There's a comment section down below. I'm just kidding. Do not bag on Del Taco. They are nice people trying to do nice things, and it's the last restaurant out there that's actually making decent food. Give them a break. It's expensive these days. You gotta do what you can do. Maybe they're doing something. I don't know. The chicken's still delicious, but the texture's just changed slightly, maybe. This is the correct. It is the texture. It is everything. It's perfect. And now you know how to make it. And thank you for watching this. You want to see more stuff like this, you gotta subscribe to the channel and come back to see the next one. Until then, have a good one, because I'm going to say the word one more time. I got 2 in there. See you next time. Bye.